In this video, we are going to learn how to create a communication arrangement using the corresponding tile in an S4 instance, the public cloud of SAP. Before going with the creation of this object, we will need to know that it is mandatory to have the custom communication scenario, an object that we have created on a different video. With this name, II1 CBO update, we do not need to confuse with the custom business object. It's just the name that has this CBO update as a name, but this is a custom communication scenario with a different name, obviously can be used. Just I want to point that the custom business object is the last one that we have on this tab, so it's totally a different object that we will be using after that to add it as an endpoint. For the moment, the idea of this video is to create a communication arrangement, and in here to use that custom communication scenario. We will proceed with the option new, and also we will use the value help. So we can select the communication scenario. We can copy this from the first tab that we have on the browser to filter on this page. We can select it. And we can notice that the name of this communication arrangement, it is proposed to be the same as the scenario. We can leave it like that if this is the case, and also a different name can be assigned. It is not mandatory to use the same name. It's up to you on how you will set up this name. And with create, we will proceed with the creation of this object, and we will notice another dependency of the communication system. That's another application that is needed. On the third tab, we have the launchpad again, and we will navigate to the communication systems. In here, we will filter with the communication system that is already created on this instance. So we will be using this one to assign it. We can notice in the general data the system ID, the system name as the local host with the inbound only. And also, we will go down to see what are the arrangements, just some standard arrangements name that were assigned, and also the authentication method. And for the moment, we have the user ID and the password. So we will just pick up this communication system to go back to the communication arrangements to assign it. And in this moment, we can save this object, and we have created the communication arrangements that has a dependency with the scenario or the custom communication scenario and also the communication system. Once this object it is activated on the system, it is published, we can go to the custom communication scenario. We can refresh this page because here we will notice on the last tab of this object of this communication scenario that the dependency of the communication arrangements was already assigned, as we can see it here, with that communication system available and active. From this moment, we can add the endpoints that we will publish, and this it will be done on another session. Thank you for watching.